and the red light violation back there on Del Prado.
Red light?
Yeah.
Which red light? Which one? There's red on the top.
There you go. That's what I was looking for. Back here, okay? So, been drinking tonight? I smell some alcohol while I'm talking to you.
On September 7th, 2024, Cape Coral Police Department in Florida pulls over Samantha for speeding, tailgating, and running a red light at the intersection of Del Prado and Veterans. What begins as a simple traffic stop quickly becomes a full DUI investigation due to observed clues of impairment.
Cape Coral Police Department initiated a traffic stop for speeding, following too closely, and the red light violation back there on Del Prado.
Red light?
Yeah.
Which red light?
The light at Del Prado and Veterans, when you passed under Veterans, made the left-handed turn back there on a red light?
Okay. I didn't know. Let me make sure this is right now.
License. Perfect. Thank you. I need that.
For the Ford.
May I have registration documentation for the vehicle, please? It's just clues of impairment. So, just because we're just outside of our jurisdiction, I'm going to make sure that we have someone that does have jurisdiction come over. I like it. Samantha, do you have any guns, knives, weapons on your person?
No, there's 2 needles in here because I realized I grabbed them from work because I work as a medical assistant. That's about it.
It's a steroid in the...
Yeah, it's a steroid. It's
in my
Well, do me a favor, take your seatbelt off, exit the vehicle from the rear of your car. Right back here, okay? So, been drinking tonight? I smell some alcohol while I'm talking to you.
A little bit.
Alright. So, based upon the driving, speeding, following too closely, red light, okay? My interaction with you leads me to believe that you might be impaired and unable to safely operate the motor vehicle.
Okay.
As such, I'm going to do a DUI investigation. We participate in some standardized field sobriety evaluation.
That's fine.
Okay. I have some questions for you tonight. Are you sick or injured? Diabetic or epileptic?
No.
Do you have any physical limitations? Anything keep you from walking or standing normal?
No.
Okay. Do you take any medications or drugs for anything?
Yes.
Okay. Are you blind in either eye? Okay. You wearing contacts?
No.
Suffer any major head trauma?
No.
Okay. I'm going to have you take a couple steps this way. There's my officers over here. One more step.
For a turn?
Yep, right over here. And then right there, that's good. Grab your face, mate. Over. Stand with your feet together, hands to your side. Are you comfortable in those shoes?
Not really.
You want to take
They're
them off?
pretty high. Sure.
Take them off. By all means. You can lean up against the car if you need to.
No, it's fine.
All right. Bring your feet together, hands to your side. You see my pen there? What color is my light?
Which one? There's red on the top.
There you go. That's what I was looking for. All right, I want you to stand still. Do not move your head. I'm going to move my pen left and right. You follow my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
These are equal, no resting nystagmus. Just follow my pen here. Equal tracking. Smooth. I'll hold it out here. Continue looking. Try not to move your head. Keep your head pointed forward, okay? Is this down? Think this will stand?
The officer asks her to step out, citing the need to investigate further. Key lesson here. Officers must articulate reasonable suspicion to prolong the stop under the Fourth Amendment. Here, it's the driving violations plus the smell. Samantha consents to the DUI investigation, which is her choice, but refusal often leads to automatic license suspension under implied consent laws in Florida and most states.
Okay, try to keep your chin down. We're going to go up. You stand normally, just relax. Take a breather for a second. Yeah. Put down the line. Yep. Go ahead and put yours down. Nice and tight, I'm going to pull it. Come on over here, Samantha. Maybe stand on this end of the line for me. Face your vehicle. Okay, so what's going to happen, I'm going to place you in the starting position. Then I'm going to give you the instructions to demonstrate. Okay, don't start anything until I instruct you to begin. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for the evaluation, go ahead and place your left foot on the line. Take your right foot, point in front of your left so that your heel's touching your toe, and rest your hands to your side, just like so. Okay, hands to your side.
I'm not good at that.
All right, when I tell you to begin, I want you to look down at your feet and count out loud as you take 9 heel to toe steps down the line. Turn around and take 9 steps back, and it's going to look just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. It's very important, Samantha, to turn yourself around. On your last step, keep your front foot on the line. Take your back foot. Take a series of small steps, turn yourself around, and then take 9 steps back down the line in the same fashion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. Don't stop or pause until you've completed everything in its entirety. Do you understand all the instructions? Yes, sir. Bianca, can you stand on the other side of her with my camera? Yep. Cool. We'll stay right here. Okay, you ready? May begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to make sure my heel touches my toe. Do I have to do that?
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
Samantha must stand heel to toe on an imaginary line, take 9 steps counting aloud, turn, and return. The officer demonstrates perfectly and stresses instructions. Don't start until told, keep arms at sides. She struggles slightly with balance and counting.
I'm wearing those shoes for about 6 hours, so my bunion's hurt. Probably don't know what a bunion is, but yeah.
Well, I don't envy you. I would never wear those shoes.
I would hope not.
Okay. And you stand right here, please. Bring your feet together, push your hands to the side. Is there anything else to instruct you again? Do you understand? Okay. Thank you. Okay, so for this evaluation, it's your choice. You're going to raise either your right foot or your left foot. Okay? So for example purposes, I'm going to raise my right. Okay, both of your legs are going to be straight. You're going to raise your right foot or your left foot. You want it 6 inches up off the ground. If it helps, picture a soda pop game between the bottom of your foot and the ground. You're going to look down at your raised foot and count out loud by thousands. So 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. You'll continue counting until I instruct you to stop. You want to avoid hopping, swaying, use your arms for balance, and putting your foot down. Now, should you put your foot down, as soon as you can, pick the same foot, back up, and continue counting from where you left off. So if I left off at 5, same foot back up. 1,006, 1,007, 1,008. You're going to continue counting until I instruct you to stop. You understand? What foot do you want to raise?
I'm right.
Okay. You do my timer? Start a timer once you raise your foot. You got it? Please got it.
Okay.
You may begin.
1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1014, 15, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027.
You can stop. Say normal. Okay, so just so you know, the 6 out of 6 in each unit. I am a DUI. We had 5 out of 8 here and 2 out of 4 here. Usually we didn't do that, so we call it cheating the minimum standards. Based on these observations during the she's impaired. Bring your hands behind your back.
Oh my God. What was it that I did that you think I'm impaired?
With multiple clues from the tests, 5 out of 8 noted, the officer places Samantha under arrest for DUI. She's handcuffed and prepared for transport, while the vehicle is set for impound. The case likely proceeds to chemical testing, breath or blood at the station, which Florida law allows under implied consent. Potential outcomes: license suspension, fines, possible jail time, and mandatory DUI school. Serious consequences even for first-timers. Samantha charges with DUI and booked into the county jail.
There we go. Okay. All right, I'm going to take custody over from you, Sarge. You good with that?
Sure.
Okay, come on over here and stand for my big... Do you mind searching her?
Yes.
Okay. You stand right here. Let me get a property bag. Face for that vehicle.